Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy Anthropic API credits and create a Claude AI API key. So first, open up the Anthropic console website and create a developer account. So keep in mind that this is separate from a regular paid Claude account. So even when you already have a Claude subscription, you still need to register through the Anthropic console to access the API features. And you can sign up using your Google account or another available option. So first things first that you do here is complete the basic setup by entering the required details, and you may also be asked whether you are using the account as an individual or as part of an organization, and select the option that applies to you and finish the onboarding process. So once you reach the main dashboard, find the API keys section, click the option to create a new key, then enter a simple name that will help you recognize what the key is being used for. You can also keep the default workspace selected unless you already have another workspace set up. And after that, create the key. Your API key will now appear on screen, and copy it immediately and save it somewhere secure, because Anthropic may only display the full key once. And do not share it publicly or include it in places where other people can access it. And before using the key, open the billing section from the menu and select option to buy credits. Then add the amount that you want to use. You can start with the minimum amount of $5 when testing your first applications or automations. And once the credits have been added, your API key can now be used to connect Claude with supported apps and automation tools. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.